Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2019 Toyota CHR. This is the hybrid SOL model, finished in a metal stream metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180 and is taxed up until June next year. It's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, and it comes with a full Toyota service history. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard. It's got the daytime running lights. It's got the 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got front and rear parking sensors. It's got a nice size spacious boot. Protective boot liner, fold down seats for additional space. It's got the keyless entry. Plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a half leather interior. It's got the front armrest also. It's got electric windows. It's got electric fold-in mirrors. It's got the parking assist and the automatic headlights. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in cruise control, radio and phone controls. It's got the air conditioning with the dual climate control. It's got the heated front seats. Got the touchscreen radio with the built-in Bluetooth and reversing camera. Satellite navigation. USB and aux port. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. And there's 64,385 kilometers on the clock. This CHR is making an ideal sized family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thank you.